Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're building on momentum. What to add when you want to scale from 5K months to 10K and beyond using digital offers. Let's be real. If you've hit a 5K a month, that means you already have something that works. You have proof of concept. You've got the offer. You've got people buying. And now the goal is not to create something new out of panic. The goal is to multiply what's working. That means scaling by expansion, optimization, and strategy, not by piling on more stress. There are 3 core levers to focus on here: volume, value, and velocity. Let's break down what each of these means at the 10K level and how to execute on them with clarity. Lever 1, increase, but with qualified traffic. Scaling to 10K starts with driving more eyeballs to your proven offer, but not just any traffic. You want pre-qualified, warm, and problem-aware leads. You're not starting from zero, you're now optimizing attention. Here's what to add: a stronger lead magnet that attracts your exact buyer, not just freebie collectors. Think specific, result-oriented, and tied directly to your offer. Strategic collaborations, podcast swaps, IG lives, bundles, and guest trainings inside other people's paid programs. Consistent lead flow. Commit to showing up with a content structure that nurtures and pre-sells your offer. Short-form video, carousel posts, and strategic stories should now act like microfunnels. If your lead flow is sporadic, your revenue will be too. 10K months require predictable traffic, even if it's small volume, as long as it's high quality. Lever 2, expand value. Add mid and premium options. This is where many entrepreneurs get stuck. They assume they need a new offer to make more money. You don't. You need a next level of value for your current audience. Here's what that looks like. Mid-ticket editions. Turn your $97 mini course into a $297 workshop with a live Q&A or personalized audit. Add a $497 implementation kit for people who want to go faster with done-for-you tools, templates, or private feedback. Premium tiers. Create a VIP version of your core offer. Maybe it includes a 1.1 call, voice memo access, or private Slack chat for 30 days. Launch a group program or cohort model where you guide them through the course live for 4 to 6 weeks at $997 plus. You don't need 100 more sales to hit 10K. You might only need 5 premium clients at 2Ks. When your value ladder expands, your revenue does too. Lever 3, increase velocity. Shorten the sales cycle. Velocity is about how fast someone moves from finding you to buying from you. At the 5K stage, you might be relying heavily on nurturing and follow-up. To scale to 10K plus, you want systems that speed up trust and make the yes easier. Add these: a fast action bonus with every funnel or launch. Give a reason to buy now. Evergreen nurture emails that move people through your process automatically. Application funnels or DM scripts that give high-ticket buyers a frictionless way to get started. Most people don't need more convincing. They just need less resistance. Shorten the gap between attention and action. Add systems, not stress. Scaling requires structure. If you're manually managing everything, emails, DMs, invoicing,